Hey everyone, it's Dr. J here. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're diving headfirst into the development of our template, harnessing the power of styles. In case you missed our last video, I covered the fundamental concepts of styles, so be sure to check it out. Now let's roll up our sleeves, get our hands dirty, and kickstart the creation of an amazing template. Let's dive in. I've opened up a blank document in Microsoft Word. Step 1 in setting up the template was to start with your main headings. These could be chapters if you're writing a thesis, or introduction, literature review, findings, and conclusion if you're writing a research paper. You can modify the headings to suit your document. Let's assume I'm writing a research paper and I'm going to have these headings. Now that my main headings are in place, I now need to add my styles. Under the Home tab, you will find a group that says Styles, and within that group you will find Heading 1. I will click on my first heading. The cursor could be anywhere on that heading, and then click on Heading 1. Similarly, I click on Literature Review, which is my second main heading, and I click on Heading 1. I do the same with Findings and Discussion, and finally, I change my conclusion to a Heading 1. This now concludes Step 1. I have my main headings, and I've applied the Heading 1 style to the main headings. Step 2 now requires us to work with the subheadings and then to apply the Heading 2 style to those subheadings. Let's first include subheadings into this document. I've added 2 subheadings under the literature review, that is introduction and context, and I've added 3 subheadings under the findings and discussion. That's introduction, findings, and discussion. Let's now apply the Heading 2 style to these subheadings. I click on introduction and then click on Heading 2. I do the same with context, and similarly for the other subheadings. Now you can see I've applied the Heading 2 style, which has a slightly different font size compared to your Heading 1. Let's assume I have further subheadings under the subheading Discussion. These could be Discussion 1, Discussion 2, and Discussion 3, and these are under the subheading Discussion. These will then be Heading 3. I click on Discussion 1, I look for Heading 3, I don't find it. If I drop down that particular menu, I find my Heading 3, and I change these to Heading 3s. My templates are starting to take shape. I have my main headings, I have my subheadings, and I even have subheadings. But wait! I don't want the color blue, neither do I want this particular font, nor do I want that particular size. Let me show you how to modify your fonts so they automatically change for each of the different headings. If you enjoyed watching this video, get ready to take it to the next level. Don't hold back, smash that like button, drop a comment in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on the contents that's yet to come. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.